So, I'm only doing this small little video just to, let you know how great Intoxalock is, and I'm not just saying that. It actually has helped me stop drinking and completely, and to become a better wife, daughter, sister-in-law. I'm gonna actually show you the machine right now, but it is upstairs. I'm downstairs just hanging out. Those are my birds. My dog is over there laying on the floor, and my husband's at work. I'm on vacation, so let me go ahead and show you my machine real quick. Pants are falling. Here we go. Upstairs just to show you the machine. Let's see. I have it on the floor so nobody sees. It's the trick. There it is. Button, blow, and camera. 3 times a day in that machine. So, just wanted to say thank you Intoxalock for helping me stop drinking and driving. The roads are a lot safer when, we do have that machine. I know it's a pain in the ass to pay it every single month, but you know what, it is well worth it, and my husband loves me a lot more when I'm not drinking, so everybody in the family is really happy that I do have the machine and I've stopped drinking. So thank you Intoxalock.